So my name is Sandy Naranjo, and in December of 2016, I was terminated from my job. And when I was terminated at my job, I felt that I was terminated because of my gender. I felt that I had to do something because just the way I was fired was humiliating, and I knew that I couldn't walk away silent. So I had reached out to Dan Gilleon, and Dan Gilleon gave me the confidence, after knowing my information about the facts of what had happened to me, to file a lawsuit on gender discrimination. And throughout the process, it was very scary because there was a lot of incentive to not file a lawsuit because people were already talking bad about me, saying bad things about me because of what I was doing. And it was just a much easier path just to not file a lawsuit and to stay quiet. But when I filed, it wasn't because it was just for me. It was because of the other women before me, and that there was a pattern, and that I felt that I wanted to stop it. And I felt that I wanted justice, not for me, but for all women. And so Dan Gilleon gave me that confidence, and he gave me the comfort and the knowledge, because this was a process that I wasn't too familiar on the legal aspect. But having his experience and his knowledge and his track record of success enabled me to go with the process. And I can safely say that at the end of this process, I am very happy with my life, and I'm happy to move on and to know that I am not by myself, and that you have to, that there is a time that you have to speak out, and it is scary, but to know that there are resources and there is options for you to take, and I felt that was true in my case. If somebody was in my position that I was in a year and a half ago, I would tell them to stay focused, to stay strong, that you're not alone. That's why the #MeToo movement is strong, because it's not an isolated situation. There are patterns of women in all different sectors that go through this experience, and that when you are in this situation and you find yourself that you know that the right recourse is to go through the legal system, then do it. Because that's how we can prevent injustice towards women. The legal system itself is very intimidating, and I can understand why one person would not want to file a lawsuit, because one of the repercussions you get from your peers filing, but the second thing is the process itself. And having somebody like Dan Gilleon gives you the incentive and gives you the courage to go forward, because when I met with Dan Gilleon, he, not only did he tell me all the legal knowledge I needed to know to move forward, but he gave me the compassion. And I think the compassion that he gave me was the key to move forward. And that's what makes Dan Gilleon different from other lawyers, is the compassion that he provides to his clients. And I'm proud to say that I was his client and that I went forward through this process with Dan Gilleon.